Now let's see. Yeah, now it's working. Perfect. I don't know why, but it's the first time I try it stopped working. So yeah, I did 2 trades today. I have to say that it's not that it was a difficult day, but it was a day that tested my patience. I think it was the most bored day of the month for me. It's if the price were balanced in a range, then I'm fine with it because there is no price is not moving. It's not like I don't feel like I miss an opportunity. However, when I see price going up and up or in a trend, like trending, and I'm not able to find an entry, that wake up a kind of a impatient inside me. Like I feel like I'm missing a move. Like how come something has to be wrong because price is moving and I'm not able to identify a level to enter for more upsides. And today was like that. It's just a lot of wick in the 5 minute, and still every breakout has more than a 50% pullback. I thought that only trending day, the ones that doesn't allow you to enter on a pullback, it's all the time up and up and up and up. I thought those were the hard one, because for that you have to be aggressive because if you wait for a pullback, you're gone. But today we have a lot of pullbacks, but none of them provide an entry for me. But well, my first trade was the one with the first percentile for value gap. We got the first percentile for value gap form here. As soon as it formed, I enter. When it formed, when this candle closed, as soon as it closed, I enter. My target was 60 something from yesterday. Is the only level I had. However, I could add one more around this level, 500. My stop loss was a high of day. It moved in my favor, and I put 2 target take partial. These 2 that I enter here, I was fine selling them here or buying them here and closing that, and then let this one run for the rest of the day. But price got really, really close to my target low of day, and we got it's a nice spike. It's a nice spike. However, it's still a lower low. This candle in the 1 minute closed below the first percentile fair value gap, and now that's when I switch and I say, okay, I'm not going to monitor this trade because actually this trade has nothing to do with price action. It's just a strategy, it's just a pattern that I'm testing out. So I'm going to move to my other account and see what's going on and see if I can find a good setup, especially for more downside, because I cannot enter long here with a short position because that I think that would mess up with the account since that would be hedging. So I decided to look. I saw how ES took this swing high of day, strong, and NQ was holding below. Then we did after ES took high of day, we did a big pullback on NQ. It's true we did a high low. However, we also did a third lower high, and we were respecting first percentile fair value gap. And here's the key. Macro open, and we close below the first percentile fair value gap. I enter on a close after I saw this big push. Like I imagine I'm in longs. So I see this push, and finally price closing on its low. It's not ideal. So I had a few things, even though price was balanced, because it was in the 5 minute, this looked like a barcode. Look, So nothing. I like to enter and I like my trades to be when price is trending, but I had a few things that I like. And I decided to enter. We were inside macro below first percentile fair value gap, and also price close below this inverse. So at some point during the day, because I was so bored, I thought it was a bad trade. But honestly, if this trade worked and I missed it, then I would say I wouldn't be happy about it. Hey Carlito, how's it going? ¿Cómo estás? But so at the end of the day, I'm happy with the trade. During the day, I thought I buy inside a range, but I see it now. I saw it in the afternoon PM session. I was looking at it, and it's honestly not a bad trade. I would take it again, especially after this inside macro below first percentile value gap, candle close below this inverse. For 1-to-1, it's not, again, for me, it's not a bad trade. Look, stop loss around here. The only thing that I noted and that I have seen it before is this. Price so close to low of day, this reversal. I'm open for price to like not take low of day so aggressive. It do a little pullback so it can shake the scalpers targeting low of day, but it wasn't aggressive pullback. That's the pattern that I have seen, and I'll take notes about that. But this trade, like I said, the first trade, the one with the first percentile fair value gap, I keep saying, keep repeating, so people don't get confused. It's just something I'm testing out with the first percentile fair value gap. It's not actually price reading. I don't know where price is going. I just know that after the first percentile fair value gap closes, I either have to go long or short. I know that beforehand. So I don't focus too much on that trade. That's something that I still testing and something that I'm journaling to see what's the actual win rate. I back tested and I have a 66% win rate in this strategy, but the thing is with the target. So yeah, that's something I'm working out. I'm usually doesn't show it. If it's a win, it's a win. If it's a loss, it's a loss. It's on the background. I don't show it because there's too much to explain around that trade. And this one I liked it. I think the reason I say during the live stream that I didn't like it, it's because I was bored. I kept seeing price pushing high and zero opportunity for me. Zero opportunity. And then we have range, breakout, range again. We have range here, breakout again. And we have another range here, breakout. It was hard for me like to identify. Well, and not identify, also I didn't see any setup. And then I was saying that I have learned also to recognize when price could be reversing and it's not a pullback anymore. And for that, and a lot of people were looking for reversal around here. I don't know how they know it. Because one thing is like betting on price is going to reverse here. And the other thing is being profitable doing that and do it consistently. So yeah. So maybe, yeah, a lot of people were trying to reverse price here, but the thing is do it consistently. So for me to enter, I wanted longs. I saw price was strong. It wasn't the best the best trend, but for me, price still strong. I wanted more upside. They are larger time frame. That's why they're reversing. You keep focusing. I agree with you. That's what I was going to say. That's what I wanted to mention that I don't know how people I like how they know about the reversal here, because for me, for more downside, I think it'll be it'll like activate once we take this swing low, which was a 5 minute swing low, the last one that the high of day. But I saw a lot of trades today from other people that enter here shorts, and that for me it's amazing. I'm not um criticizing them. It's actually like I'm impressed how they were able to identify that. Today the NQ was on a 1 hour completion. No, that's why it punched down. It hit the top ceiling of 1 hour consolidated channel. Made 4K today. Awesome. So I was saying that, yeah, for me, for my downside, I wanted to see price go below that level, but I decided not to trade PM, and I did again I did simulation, like paper money. One worked and the other didn't. That's the thing with the afternoon. I'm not too familiar with it, but I keep practicing, I guess, at some point, because I've been able to find a couple of trades, but not much in the afternoon. Usually I don't find them. But lately, I don't know. I think I'll keep doing the paper money trades in the afternoon, and then if I see good result. The other thing is that I'm not journaling this trade, and I think that's not good because I don't know. I think I'm relying on the fact that at some point I would say, okay, the afternoon is working, and then I'll switch. But yeah, so that's it. How much do you make? I lost today. Oh, you won't be able to see it. I lost today like 440 $440. Look at the NQ box out of 23, 6, 617. Shouldn't you hop off charts after 2, 3 losses? Yes, that's what I do. I only did 2 losses today. It's actually one, because the first one it's with other account that I only do one trade. I only did one loss. But yes, I mean, it's not that you're supposed. It's just me. It's just me. That's the way. What is? What is this time frame? This is the 1 minute. This is the 1 minute. This is just at the opening of today, New York opening. That's where I did the two trades, the two losing trades. At the market close today, market it's about to open at 6 p.m. What do you use to copy trades? Replicante. Never had a problem with it. It's no problem, brother. But yeah, two trades today. Now, unfortunately, I see a bad trend in my journal. It's the 4 Mondays of August. The 4 were red Mondays. Not a single green Monday on August. So we are starting to see patterns. Like I say, I'm starting out and I am expecting to go from losing 500 to losing 300 and then 100. And that's how I maybe next month I would take out Mondays. But I think 1 month is not enough. So, but that's the kind of change that I'm looking for. But yeah, that's it. Two trades today. At some point I thought I shouldn't take this trade, but now that I see it, I really like it. I think if I wouldn't take it and then it works, it would be worse for me. So it's not a bad trade. The only thing that I have seen is this high and low here. It's not ideal with this huge reverse of more than 50%. Weekly screen time divided by profit. But yeah, that's it. Done for today. That's a recap for today. And I'll see you tomorrow in the live stream. Thank you for joining. Thank you for commenting. I'll see you tomorrow.